Okay, so here's the question. Have you ever exported your videos in Filmora and the video looks like this? Yeah, that's pretty skew. Or maybe even if you have tried to realign it and well, it just won't go straight. Well, luckily Filmora has a new solution. Because this feature not only makes your clip straight, but you can exactly mark and precisely calculate where the clip should be. But enough talking, let me show you what it is in Filmora. Let's get right into it. And well, this effect is called the ruler effect. Now this is very cool, so let me show you what I mean. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm open in Filmora right now. So let me show you what I mean. So basically, if you have your clip here in the play window right here, so what you want to do is once you're here, your mouse is here, you want to right click and then you want to scroll down to ruler. Now once you press that, it will bring up this grid thing here at the sides. Now the coolest thing here is you can right click again, go to ruler and then press on guides. Now once you add a guide, you want to press there. So if you want to add a new guide, simply you can even select the color the guide should be. So let's make it red. And then you can select the direction, so vertical or horizontal. So if you want to choose 0 and this, which means the corner, so you can say okay. Now as you guys can see there on my screen, this red line right here, that is your new guide. So you can just simply remove it and it will go against that line. So for example, if I move the guide to here, the clip will automatically stick to there. Now this might seem a bit pointless, but especially if you want to do like mass cuts or something that your clip has to stay in the same place, this is ideal for that. So you can obviously add multiple guides, so you can say guide and then add another guide. So let's do horizontal and then say okay. So now horizontally there will be another guide here at the top, as you guys can see there. So that means that my clip will now be following these two lines, which I think is pretty cool. So let's say for example you want to do a match transition or something and your clip has to stay in the exact same spot. Well, now you can do that. Or even a video like me talking right now, I can make sure that my video is exactly in the middle. Like as you guys can see now, me talking is here in the corner and I'm editing right here. So now I can make sure that my editing is straight and my little corner is also straight. So it has a bunch of benefits and I think it's a very cool feature that Filmora has added. So yeah, now your clip will be precisely in the middle. You can obviously remove guides, hide guides, add another one. It's a pretty cool feature that you can use in every video you make. So yeah. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know how to use the guides feature in Filmora. And I think it's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.